Hello, good morning students. In this class, we discuss about negative phase sequence relay. Our subject is DPS. Now we discuss about negative phase sequence relay. So first of all, we have to know what are the type of sequence in our circuit. There are three types of sequence. There are three types of sequence. One is positive sequence, second is negative sequence, and third is zero sequence. Zero sequence. In our circuit, there are three types of sequence. One is positive sequence, second is negative sequence, and third is zero sequence. These sequences are related to the circuit quantities such as voltage or current. Generally, when our system is in balance, only positive sequence component exists in our circuit. Other two components, negative or zero sequence components, are zero. But in case of unbalance means if there will be any fault in our circuit or unbalanced loading in our circuit which causes other two components, that is negative and zero sequence components. So next we write under balance condition. Under balance condition, only positive sequence component, exist in our circuit. Other two components are zero. जब हमारा सिस्टम बैलेंस है तो बैलेंस कंडीशन में हमारे सिस्टम के अंदर केवल पॉजिटिव सीक्वेंस कंपोनेंट एग्जिस्ट करता है, वोल्टेज और करंट। अदर टू मींस नेगेटिव और जीरो सीक्वेंस कंपोनेंट की वैल्यू जो है दैट इज जीरो। बट इन एब्नॉर्मल कंडीशन there may be any fault or unbalanced loading. So next is under abnormal condition, such as fault or unbalanced loading causes other two components in the circuit. जब हमारे सर्किट में कोई फॉल्ट होता है या कोई अनबैलेंस लोडिंग होती है तो उस कंडीशन में हमारे सर्किट के अंदर पॉजिटिव के अलावा नेगेटिव और जीरो सीक्वेंस कंपोनेंट दैट आल्सो एग्जिस्ट। सो ये जो जीरो सीक्वेंस नेगेटिव सीक्वेंस कंपोनेंट्स जो है ये हमारे सर्किट के अंदर प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करते हैं। These components are harmful components which disturb our entire system So now to protect our generator or motor, basically we use negative sequence relay. Negative sequence relay or phase unbalance relay. The name is or phase unbalance relay or phase unbalance relay. Phase unbalance relay. Negative sequence relay or phase unbalance relay. तो ये हमारे सिस्टम में जब कोई एब्नॉर्मल कंडीशन होती है तो नेगेटिव और जीरो सीक्वेंस कंपोनेंट एग्जिस्ट करते हैं जो हमारे सिस्टम के लिए हार्मफुल है और हमारे सिस्टम के अंदर इसका डिस्टर्बेंस प्रोड्यूस करते हैं। तो इसको अवॉइड करने के लिए हम नेगेटिव सीक्वेंस और फेज अनबैलेंस रिले का यूज करते हैं। अब पॉजिटिव सीक्वेंस कंपोनेंट मींस RYB means original phase component. Positive sequence component means original phase component which are displaced in phase by 120 degree from each other. So if this is positive sequence, the negative sequence will be, its negative sequence will be RY. This is negative sequence. Negative. Third is zero sequence. Zero sequence means there is no sequence. All components are in parallel to each other. तो यहाँ हम देखते हैं कि पॉजिटिव सीक्वेंस कंपोनेंट आर द ओरिजिनल फेज कंपोनेंट्स. यदि ओरिजिनल पॉजिटिव सीक्वेंस कंपोनेंट क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में RYB सीक्वेंस रहता है, यहाँ हम सीक्वेंस लेते हैं तो सबसे पहले R फिर Y फिर Y. यदि पॉजिटिव सीक्वेंस कंपोनेंट जो है उसका सीक्वेंस RYB है तो नेगेटिव सीक्वेंस जो कंपोनेंट है उसका सीक्वेंस क्या होगा? RBY. तो यहाँ से हम कह सकते हैं कि यदि पॉजिटिव सीक्वेंस कंपोनेंट जो है या पॉजिटिव सीक्वेंस जो फेज है कंपोनेंट जो है उनके दो फेज कंपोनेंट्स को यदि हम इंटरचेंज करते हैं तो हमें प्राप्त होता है नेगेटिव फेज सीक्वेंस कंपोनेंट. Similarly, here R is reference, but here is Y, and now here B, but here B and Y. Means we have interchanged two components, that is Y and B. So we obtain negative sequence component. Now we discuss about negative sequence relay, which is used for the protection of generator or transformer against phase unbalance. So circuit represents negative phase sequence or phase unbalance relay. In phase unbalance relay, we use bridge circuit. This is operating coil, relay coil, or relay operating coil. In negative sequence or phase unbalance relay, we use bridge circuit. This is the bridge circuit. In normal condition for bridge imbalance, no current flow in relay coil, so relay will be stationary. Relay will not operate. But if there is any disturbance in our circuit due to fault or unbalanced loading, then the current starts flowing in relay operating coil, which causes the operation of the relay. So now the general working principle of this difference phase unbalance relay is that here we use 3 CT. There are 3 stages R, Y and B. Here there are 3 phases R, Y, B, and each phase we have CT. Suppose this is CP1, CP2 and CP3. We use 3 CP, one in each phase. Now output of these 3 CPs, one terminal of all the 3 CPs is taken as common terminal, and other 3 terminals are connected to the 3 nodes of the bridge. Means R phase CP output terminal is connected to, suppose this is 1 ABC. R phase output at terminal A, CP2 output terminal B, CP3 output terminal C, and common terminal of all the 3 CPs is connected at point B. So this is the construction of phase unbalanced relay, and relay operating coil is placed between terminal B and D. Now, in normal condition, under normal condition, IR plus IY plus IB is equal to 0. Under normal condition, IR plus IY plus IB is equal to 0. So no current will flow. No current flow through relay operating coil. And there is no current flow in relay operating coil. Relay will not operate. But in unbalanced condition, sum of IR, IY and IB is not equal to 0. So in this case, a current flow in relay operating coil will cause the operation of the relay. Next point is under abnormal condition. IR plus IY plus IB not equal to 0. So relay current flow in the relay coil, in the relay operating coil, which causes the relay operation, means current will flow, magnetic flux will induce in the coil, which will attract the plunger of the circuit breakers. So in this way, under normal condition, sum of IR plus IY plus IB is 0, but in abnormal condition, sum of IR, IY and IB is not equal to 0. Due to which current starts flowing. Now current division in the circuit R phase, current division in R phase. R phase, so suppose this is IR, it is the sum of I1 plus I4. So IR equal to I1 plus I4. Now we draw figure for this. Suppose this is I1, this is I4. So IR will be I1 plus I4. Figure suppose IR plus I1 plus I4 is equal to IR. And angle is 30 degree plus 30 or minus 30. In this way, current of each phase is divided into two parts. From R phase, IR is equal to sum of I1 plus I4. So now the sequence current which are flowing in relay operating coil are positive, negative or zero sequence components. Under abnormal condition, under abnormal condition, all the three components, all the three sequence components current components flow through the relay operating coil, which is positive sequence, negative sequence, and zero sequence. So this is the basic about phase unbalanced relay or negative phase relay. So thank you for today class, dear students.